Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut on Windows 11. In case you want to create a desktop shortcut for any application that you have installed manually or it shipped with Windows 11, you can create a desktop shortcut for both types of application. For that, first click on this one start button and then click on this one all apps. Here all the apps that have shipped with your Windows 11 or you have installed manually, it will be available. All you need to locate the app and you want to make a shortcut. Suppose I want to make a shortcut of camera application. Just click and hold and then drag it to the desktop. It will show a link. Then just leave your cursor and it will sit on the desktop as a shortcut. In case you have installed any app, suppose you have installed Google Chrome on your Windows PC, Windows 11 PC, and you want to make a desktop shortcut, then right click on the application name and here select open file location. Then you will see a shortcut of icon. In case you don't see a shortcut of the icon here, right click and again open the file location. You need to find the exe application from where your application starts. Now right click on the application name and select here show more options and then choose create shortcut option. It will prompt you that desktop shortcut will be placed on the desktop. Click on the yes button. It will create a new desktop shortcut for that application on your Windows 11 desktop. That's all about this video. Bye.